Master to Goswami. You are all good people. How much japa you practice? How much you chant the name of Hori? Goswami humbly. Oh no, we do very little. I am a great sinner. Master smiling. You have humility. That is good. But there is also another way. I chant the name of Hori. How can I be a sinner? He who constantly repeats, I am a sinner, I am a wretch, verily becomes a sinner. What lack of faith? A man chants the name of God so much and still he talks of sin. Radhika Goswami listened to these words in amazement. Master. At Vrindavan, I myself put on the garb of the Vaishnavas and wore it for 15 days. To the devotees, I have practiced the disciplines of all the paths, each for a few days. Otherwise, I should have found no peace of mind. Smiling. I have practiced all the disciplines. I accept all paths. I respect the Shaktas, the Vaishnavas, and also the Vedantists. Therefore, people of all sects come here. And every one of them thinks that I belong to his school. I also respect the modern Brahmagyanis. Footnote: Modern Brahmagyanis, the members of the Brahmo Samaj. Footnote ends. A man had a tub of dye. Such was its wonderful property that people could dye their clothes any color they wanted by merely dipping them in it. A clever man said to the owner of the tub, "Dye my cloth the color of your dye stuff." All laugh. Why should I be one-sided? The idea that the people of a particular sect will not come to me does not frighten me. I don't care a bit whether people come to me or not. The thought of keeping anyone under my control never crosses my mind. Adhor Sen asked me to ask the Divine Mother for a big position for him. But he didn't get it. If that makes him think differently about me, why do I care? Once at Keshav's house, I found myself in a new mood. The Brahmos always speak of the impersonal. Therefore I said to the Divine Mother in an ecstatic mood, "Mother, please don't come here. They don't believe in your forms." Radhika Goswami listened to these words of the Master against sectarianism and remained silent. Master smiling. Bijoy is in a wonderful state of mind nowadays. Footnote: Vijay Krishna Goswami. Though born in a Vaishnava family, he became a member of the Brahmo Samaj. Later, he returned to the worship of the personal God. Footnote ends. He falls to the ground while chanting the name of Hori. He devotes himself to kirtan, meditation, and other spiritual practices till 4 in the morning. He now puts on an ochre robe and prostrates himself before the images of God. Once, he accompanied me to Godadhar's schoolhouse. Footnote: Godadhar, a celebrated Vaishnava saint. Footnote ends. I pointed out the place where Godadhar used to meditate. At once, Bijoy prostrated himself there. Again, he fell prostrate before the picture of Chaitanya Dev. Goswami: What about the image of Radha Krishna? Master: He prostrated himself there too. Bijoy also follows all the conventions of religious life. Goswami: He can now be accepted in Vaishnava society. Master: People's opinion don't count for much with him. Goswami: I don't mean that. By accepting him, Vaishnava society will honor itself. Master: He respects me very much, but it is difficult to reach him. One day he is called to Dhaka, the next day to some other place. He is always busy. Footnote: Bijoy and several of his friends, on account of a disagreement with Keshav, seceded from Keshav's organization and founded the Sadharan Brahmo Samaj. Footnote ends. His presence has created great trouble in the Sadharan Brahmo Samaj. Goswami: Why so, sir? Master: The Brahmos tell him, you mix with people who worship God with form. You are an idolater. Bijoy is liberal and straightforward. Unless a man is guileless, he doesn't receive the grace of God.